Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. We're going to talk about the reason that Shiba Inu has dropped so dramatically in the last 30 to 36 hours. And we're going to look at that in the context of a significant amount of shorting action that is going on related to the overall crypto market. It's happening in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and basically shorting is when people are betting against prices to go up, and they're basically pushing the price down. That's a very simple explanation of shorting. If you want to kind of get more in depth on that, just go on YouTube and look in what is shorting of cryptocurrency or stocks, and you'll get a very quick explanation beyond that if you want more detail beyond that. I am not a huge fan of shorting. I absolutely hate it. I've been dealing with it around, been seeing it around for the 30 plus years I've been in the market, the stock market, and it's happening to crypto. This is the reason that Shiba Inu has dropped. We're also going to talk about when will Shiba Inu go back up and the overall kind of state of the union. This is a very, very important video. If you are a Shiba Inu holder, this is the reason that Shiba Inu has been going down, period. Okay? There is nothing negative right now or anything like that out in the news. I am not spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is not FUD. This is not any of that kind of stuff. This is a situation where I worked on this all day yesterday, looking at why I was going to Shiba, why it was happening to Dogecoin, etc. I released a video late last night related to Dogecoin. After researching it all day, it was crazy. I was tired. I went to bed, and I knew I was going to make this video for you Shiba guys and gals. So here we go. This is why Shiba Inu is down. It is because of a massive amount of shorting, and I'm going to show you proof that this is happening. Here we go. So you can see that we are currently trading at 7169. We're down 15.86%. Okay, the thing I want to focus you on for this video is this number right here, 72% in the overall trading volume. And if we look at this chart right here, this is a 7-day chart, and we really care about obviously the last about 30 to 36 hours, give or take. And really 24 to 30 hours, if you get my point. Okay, but look at the price going down right here, and then look at the gray bar right here. See how this gray chart, this gray bar starts to move up. Okay, that is volume. That is shorting volume. That is Shiba Inu being shorted, Dogecoin being shorted, over all the crypto market currencies being shorted. If you look at what's happened to Bitcoin, let me refresh this. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 10%. Ethereum down 11%. You can see Bitcoin's trading at $32,000 right now. Ethereum at $2,400. They have dropped dramatically in the last 24 to 30 hours. Okay, now here is proof and showing you what is happening. First, before we go look at that proof, I want to show you what's happened with Shiba. Now, you see right here, this is the drop, okay, where we were trading at around the 838 mark. And now we know we're at that 718 mark. Okay, so what I'm talking about is this drop right here. Okay. Also, I want to point out these particular candlesticks, these large candlesticks. These large candlesticks right here are institutional money. This is hedge funds, major big institutions that are shorting Shiba Inu. It's happening in Dogecoin as well. I'm going to show you as well. Look, this is the Dogecoin chart. The exact same thing. Okay, look at the candlesticks right here. Doge looks identical, doesn't it? Almost exactly the same length of candlestick action. When you see large candlesticks like this right here, these big long candlesticks right here, you got a candlestick and then you got the wick. The line right here is the wick. See the line? Okay, the candlestick portion, when you have a really large candlestick action like that, that is institutional money, hedge funds, etc. Okay, shorting this, these currencies. Okay, Dogecoin, Shiba, etc. Okay, now why is this happening, or how is this happening? Proof of this is that this is happening. Here we go. This is a website. Go check it out for yourself called datamish.com. Datamish.com. When you get there, turn on 90 day. See this right here? Turn on 90 day, and you're welcome to check this out yourself. Right here, this is showing you Bitcoin, okay? Why am I showing you Bitcoin in a Shiba Inu video? Because you need to understand that Bitcoin drives the overall market, okay? And when Bitcoin is being shorted, it pushes everything else around. Okay, and again, I'm going to show you proof of this. Here we go. Current Bitcoin price 32,000 and change. This longs is people that are long in it. They are holders. They believe in it. They're holding it, etc. Shorts are people that are shorting it. Okay, they are betting against Bitcoin going up, if you will. Okay, very, very simple explanation. They don't want Bitcoin to go up. They want it to go down because they make money when it goes down. Okay, so we have 6,684 individuals, institutions, etc., accounts, if you will, that are shorting right now. Okay, now I want to show you this chart. Okay, it's very, very important. Here we go. I'm going to walk you around. The green line represents the people that are long. Okay. The white line right here, this white line right here represents the price of Bitcoin. The red line down here below represents the shorting action, okay? Now, I want to show this. I'm not going to dive too much into this, but this back on May 17th and May 18th, there was a massive amount of new shorting that came in. Look, this was people shorting it right here. See this line right here kind of doing its thing, and then it started to ramp up. And see how it ramped up from an average of, say, 600, 800 to 900 people that were shorting it, and then it spiked up to 4,420 that are shorting it. Notice on the white line, see that dot moving on the white line. Well, as more people are shorting it, the price is coming down, okay? The price of Bitcoin is coming down. And then you see this massive spike where we went from a lot, 4,424 shorting it, to 11,395 shorting it. This was back on May 18th. There's a point for this, okay? It spiked all the way down. I did an analysis on this last night on Dogecoin, guys. The exact, when this happened back around May 17th and May 18th, Dogecoin just went boom. It went to it dropped massively, okay? And it happened again. Now we're coming forward. See how and then see how after the shorting action it dropped, and now you've got an average of 1,000 people that are shorting it. But you also see we never really came back. See how Bitcoin never really came back from this massive spike in the shorting action right here. Then on June 6th, look, we started ramping up, and on June 6th and into June 7th, we went from an average of 1,000 to over 6,000 plus shorting it. And then look at the white line. See how after when the spike in shorts happened, people shorting it, Bitcoin drops again. See it? Okay. This is the reason that the overall crypto market is horrible right now. It's because of hedge funds, institutions, large holdings of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba, etc. that are being shorted. Okay, it's people betting against this. It's people that don't want the price to go up, and they're pushing the price down for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Shiba, etc. This is why right here. Okay, and you can see, look what happened here on the background May 18th when we spiked up. You see how the price kept dropping, and see how it dropped even more at it was what 3 or 4 days after this big huge red spike. The price of Bitcoin dropped down to 32,776. Okay, well we have another spike here, and see how the price of Bitcoin's dropped even more, and now we're back down to 32,783. Here's the thing, guys. I firmly believe that it is entirely possible that because of this action right here, Bitcoin may hit $30,000. I hope it doesn't drop below 30, because that is a major, major support level, and that is almost like it's a support level, but it's also like if it goes below 30,000, it will freak a massive amount of retail investors out, and they may start selling off, and they may cause a panic in the market. I hope it doesn't go below 30,000. I have no crystal ball. I can't tell you if that's going to happen. I can't. I wish I could. When is Shiba going to go back up? When is Dogecoin? When are all these guys going to go back up? Number one, when these, and I'm choosing my words carefully, when these people or these companies or these institutions quit shorting it, we will go back up. That has already stopped, but I still think we're dealing with the fallout of this. We could be still dealing with the, look, we dealt with look at the fallout right here. The fallout for Bitcoin didn't go away for a while. We could be dealing with this for another week, 2 weeks. It could be another 3 weeks plus. I wish I could tell you. I can't. The data shows that as long as these guys keep doing these sporadic kind of periodic shorting, we will stay down as long as the shorting action is going on. Okay? That is when we will go back up, is when they stop pushing the entire crypto market down, and confidence, retail confidence, meaning like individual retail investors like us, come back in. That's when Shiba will go back up. Because remember, we got all this massive amount of new volume. This volume is shorting volume. I showed it to you. It's right here. It's all of this. This is on a 1 hour chart, by the way. These are 1 hour blocks, these candlesticks. These huge big candlesticks are large institutions, hedge funds, etc., that are just jumping into different little cryptos. They did it to Cardano, etc., Ethereum, Bitcoin, you name it. It's happening. You can see it right here. Look at, every single thing. Binance Coin, XRP down 11, Polkadot down 15, Uniswap down 15, ICP down 18, Litecoin down 13, Chainlink 16, Solana down 16, Polygon down 15, Stellar down. I mean, it's every single one of them. Okay. So my point is, don't sell. I mean, again, not investment advice. I'm not selling. I'm not selling anything. This pisses me off, okay? And I'm staying. They're not going to push me out of my position. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.